Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing solution 3 of holidays homework class 9th. Question is related to probability. Three unbiased coins are tossed together. So I am writing when three unbiased coins are tossed together. When three unbiased coins are tossed together, comma, the outcomes are total 8 outcomes are there, or you can say these are elementary events. One is HHH, comma, HHT. After HHT you can write HTH, THH, HTT. After HTT you can take THT, एंड टी एच टी के बाद आप टी टी एच कर दो, एंड लास्ट यू कैन टेक टी टी टी. So these are total outcomes. Now the first part is you are to find the probability that there are all heads. Probability all heads. So here you can write up total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes are how many? As many as there are elementary events, means total are 8. So all heads. How many times it has happened that all heads have come? Only one time, that was HHH. So it will be 1 over 8. So 1 over 8 is the required probability. This is the first part. Second part, you have to find the probability two heads. Probability two heads. So in two heads, here in the rough work you can write how many times there are two heads. So HHT, here also two heads are there. Then THH, here also there are two heads, and one is HTH, here also there are two heads, means three times there are two heads. So 3 over 8 is the probability of two heads. Now part number third, this is probability at least two heads. Probability at least two heads. At least two heads means minimum two heads should be there, and these can be more also. So probability of at least two heads may what events will come? HHH will also come. I told that minimum two heads, these can be more also. Then HHT will also be taken, HTH will also be taken, and THH will also be taken. So you can see that how many elementary events are associated. 4 elementary events. So 4 over 8, and after cancellation with table of 4 you will get 1 over 2. Now part number 4, probability of at most two heads. So in probability of at most two heads, understand this meaning. What you are to take? You are to take that event also when there is no head. You are to take that event also when there is one head. You are to take that event also when there are two heads. Means what event you are to neglect? You are to neglect that rather than these three. So rather than these three, only one will be neglected, that there are three heads, and HHH will be neglected. So all you are to take HHT, then you can take HTH, then you can take THH, THH, you can take HTT, you can take THT, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then TTH can be taken and TTT can be taken. So only what you have left, you have neglected H, which is not to be taken in this. So total elementary events are 7. So 7 upon 8 is the probability of at most 2 heads. I hope you have understood the solution of this question. This type of question is very important from examination point of view. So do it carefully with repeated practices. Thank you.